Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this question, the mass moment of inertia, Ig d equals half multiply 5 multiply zero point 0.4 square equals 0.4 kilogram meter square. Also Vp2 equals omega 2 times root 5.92 and Vd2 equals omega 2 times 2.4. So sum of HA at 1 equals sum of HA at 2. If we substitute, we will have MB VP1 RP1 equals IG D omega 2 plus MD VD2 R2 plus MP VP2 RB2. So if we substitute by the values, we will have 0.01 times 800 multiply 2.4 equals 0.4 omega 2 plus 5 omega 2 times 2.4 square plus 0.01 omega 2 root 5.92 square. So from this equation we can get omega 2 equals 0.656 radian per second. Since the system is required to stop finally, then T3 will be equal to 0 and T2 equals half IGD omega 2 square plus half MD VD2 square plus half MP VB2 square. If we substitute by the values, we will have half times 0.4 times 0.656 square plus half multiply 5 multiply 0.656 multiply 2.4 and this bracket square plus half times 0.01 multiply 0.656 root 5.92 square. So T2 will be equal 6.2996 joule. So for the potential energy, datum is set as indicated. So H over here phi equal tan inverse 0.4 over 2.4, which is equal 9.4623 hence y1 equals 2.4 cosine theta and yp equals root 5.92 cosine theta minus 9.4623. Thus, the gravitational potential energy of disk and bullet with reference to datum is Vg d equals md g yd equals 5 multiply 9.81 multiply negative 2.4 cosine theta equals negative 117.72 cosine theta, and VGP equals MP G multiply YP equals 0.01 times 9.81 negative root 5.92 cosine theta minus 9.4623, which is equal negative 0.0981 square root 5.92 cosine theta minus 9.4623. At theta equal to 0, VGD at 2 equals negative 117.72 cosine 0, which is equal negative 117.72 joule, and VGB at 0.2 equals negative 0.0981 root 5.92 cosine 0 minus 9.4623, which is equal negative 0.23544 joule. Conservation of energy, we can say that T2 plus V2 equals T3 plus V3. So we have 6.2996 plus negative 117.72 plus negative 0.23544 equals 0 plus negative 117.72 cosine theta plus negative 0.0981 square root 5.92 cosine theta minus 9.4. If we simplify this, we will have 117.72 cosine theta plus 0.0981 root 5.92 cosine theta minus 9.4623, which is equal 111.66. Solving by numerically, we will get the value of theta, which is equal 18.8 degrees.